Hmm. It appears I don't see mourning doves in here. And I'm not too sure why they didn't get to add that up. Not so sure. Let me check on that mourning dove. Okay, I still see it. And it's still here. Which is good. That's what they do. They like to hang out and make some calls. Doesn't it feel great that I had to do a cooing lesson with that mourning dove? Because you want to know something. When you make a call with them, they will fly away and they will make you try to think if you could hear them cooing. And then you could coo them again, and then they'll fly somewhere else, and then they could fly back here. And they could come up with some different type of cooing. So that is a mourning dove. And that mourning dove had been here for a very long time. And it feels great for me to get it on camera. Listen to that mourning dove making a call. You see, that's how you guys gotta make a call when you hear a mourning dove. Like and subscribe.